Hi everyone, welcome to StudyIQ. 2024-2025 Prelims OPSC Prelims ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି StudyIQ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି one of the best opportunity to evaluate you before the OPSC evaluate you because OCS preparations stages ରେ ଚାଲିଥାଏ first basic then advanced then test series then you appears for the main and the real exams. So before OPSC evaluate you should evaluate yourselves by giving some test series. So we are also providing the test series in the StudyIQ platforms. The test series, the OCS Prelim Test Series 2024-2025, Batch 2 it starting on 12th of April 2025. Join this test series and feel the difference. Here you will have the quality of questions, prelims questions, which would be very similar to the OPSC, and the model answer with your rank will be there. All Odisha rank will be also given to you. So join it and feel the difference. Next, we are also having Pratham batch जो मैंने OSSC CGLs 2025 में prepare करछंती. We are having batch 3 to enrich and to enhance your preparations. आपन को preparation को enhance and enrich करे पे StudyIQ तरफ रू हमें नहीं आसिचु batch 3 foundation batch 3 that will enhance your preparations and that will give you the confidence in the exam as well. तो ये batch 3 हमें नहीं किया आसिचु that is OSSC CGL 2025 and the offer is going on, that is the Great Indian Festival offer. The Great Indian Festival offer is going on. The offer is valid till the 15th of April 2025. Use the code GREAT or use any other faculty's codes to get the maximum discounts. As of now 1799 but ताठु मध्य discount आपण पाई परबे. Use the code GREAT or use any other faculties like my code SHLIV. Apart from that, those who are now, there is a like a crazy tide is going on among the aspirants in the Odisha that everybody wants to be the civil servant, to be the civil servant in the Odisha. There is a tides or there is a race is going on. In this race, if you want to keep yourself ahead, then you have to be paripurna in knowledge, and in that knowledge or through that knowledge you would be able to sail through this race, and that knowledge will come from the guidance. And here we are to guide you in the StudyIQ platforms through the Paripurna batch. The batch is starting on the 15th of April 2025 with the offer price 9,999 at present, but use this code GREAT or my code SHLIV or any other faculty's code to get the maximum discount and enrich your concept, improve your clarity and get the confidence to beat this exam and to sail through this exam. So wish you all the best and see you in the classrooms in the Paripurna batch. And the last, Prarambha batch for the OPSC ASO 2025's foundation batch 3 also there. There is also offer the Great Indian Festival sale offer is there. This offer is valid to the 15th of April 2025. The batch is starting on the 18th of April 2025 with the great price 1799 only. 1799 टंका रे आपन को मिलुची, and don't let it go. This is one of the best course you are having at the affordable price with the quality teachers. Those teachers having years of experience going to impart that with you. And I would say again, I would remind you again, we are having test series for the OCS Prelims 2025 Prelim test series. Join this batch and get the maximum benefits of the test series, enhance your scores as well. Now we are having Pratham batch OSSC CGL 2025 foundation batch 3, and the festival season, the Great Indian Festival season is going on. Join by using the code GREAT or using any other faculties here. By the offer is the batch is starting so the 18th of April and the offer is valid 15th of April. So before the offer run out, join by using this code and get the maximum benefits with the best teachers from the Odisha. Apart from that, some Paripurna batch is there, and I will definitely looking forward to join you too there in the classroom, and also waiting you guys to be joined in the classroom. See you in the classroom and don't wait, but एडमिशन तुरंत नहीं जाओ, अपेक्षा करे ना 15 अप्रैल टू स्टार्ट होची एंड ऑफर सरवा पूर्व 15 अप्रैल ऑफर सरुची. बिफोर द एंडिंग ऑफ द ऑफर join it, enroll fast and let the other to join and see you in the classroom. So wish you all the best again and join us fast, enroll the fast before the offer run out. See you in the classroom. Wish you all the best. Take care. Thank you everyone.